Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. This video I'll tell you how to protect your PDF document and encrypt them with a password for security purposes, maybe for privacy reasons, or there are some things you don't want to make accessible to other users. What you can just do is to encrypt document with a password. For this you don't need any extra application, you don't need extra software, you don't need extra knowledge. It's basically your knowledge of Microsoft Word that would come into play here. So let's say you have your Microsoft Word document here and it has all this um, information or data on it that you wish to keep private and save it. First, you need to save as PDF. So go to File tab, then pick the Save as option, then put where the location you want to save it to, pick Save as PDF, then click on Options. Yeah, after click on Options, you click on the encryption feature. So when it tells you, brings this box, you enter your desired password. My password is I won't tell you my password. Yeah, that's private. So I have my password and I save. So when I'm about to open it, okay, let's say I want to open it now. You see, it's asking me for my password first, so I just type I am a so this previous one is not the document we're working on right now. This is the previous documents that we saved as PDF format in the last video. So you see another document open up now. So I can see secured. This was differentiated from ordinary PDF, which is just PDF alone. So this one carries the secured insignia, secured notice there. So thank you for watching and let me know if this is helpful.